Okay, for today's student book practice, it's page 228, Kaylees Kilometers. Remember, you've already done practice on page, I believe it was 227. You had home connections, page 119 and 120, that's due April 14th. This is student book practice. This is not homework, but if you feel you want extra practice, you want to go above and beyond, do this page. Okay, I'm not going to check if it's due. You can just work at your leisure with these student book pages. But Kaylees Kilometers, and you can use your chart from your home connection to help you. Kaylee is trained to run a marathon next summer. Help Kaylee figure out how far she is running each day. Show your work with numbers, labeled sketches, or words. I'm going to be looking for any one of those three or a combination of all of them. So you just have one problem to solve with 5 sections in each problem. There is one rectangular path for running in Kaylee's town. She runs around the path every day. One side of the path is 5.5 kilometers long. The other side of the path is 3.5 kilometers long. What is the perimeter of the path? It might be a good idea to look at your fractions to see if you can turn that into a whole. Just might help you. If Kaylee ran around the path 7 times during the week, how many kilometers did she run that week? How many meters did she run that week? So to solve C, you have to look at B. For D, it takes Kaylee 1 and 5/6 hours to run around the path. How many minutes does it take her to run around the path? And then for your challenge, Kaylee ran around the path 1.5 times 3 days in a row. How far did she run on those 3 days in all? Remember, this is extra. Good luck.